Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan and welcome to the 7th lesson about Python. In the previous lesson, we learned about the input and type functions of Python. In this lesson, we will be covering some more operators of Python. So let's jump right in. The operators which you learn about in this lesson are also useful for the if conditions, which we will cover in a later episode. The first type of operator I would like to talk about are the comparison operators. There are 6 comparison operators: equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. The equal to operator checks if two values are the same and returns true if so. The not equal to operator checks if two values are not the same and returns true if so. Look at the examples on the right. The greater than operator checks if the value on the left is greater than the value on the right and returns true if so. The less than operator checks if the value on the left is less than the value on the right and returns true if so. Look at the examples on the right. The greater than or equal to operator checks if the value on the left is greater than or equal to the value on the right and returns true if so. The less than or equal to operator checks if the value on the left is less than the value on the right and returns true if so. Look at the examples. There are 3 logical operators in Python: AND, OR, and NOT. These are keywords in Python. They are not represented by any symbols. The AND operator takes 2 Boolean values. If both of them are true, the output is true. In any other case, the output is false. This information can be shown in a logic table such as the one on the right. The OR operator takes 2 Boolean values. If one or both of them are true, the output is true. Otherwise, it is false. This information can be shown in a logic table such as the one on the right. Unlike the other logical operators, the NOT operator takes only one Boolean value and reverses it. That is, that if it is true, it returns false and vice versa. This information can be shown in the logic table on the right. Well done! You made it through the 7th lesson about Python. In the next lesson, we will be learning about the if condition. So I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, favorite and subscribe.